What does that all mean? Run to your daddy's arms. That's the relationship Jesus says. The Spirit makes our spirit cry out, Abba, Father. You see, when there's law involved, you have condemnation, you have worry, you have performance-based issues. You're worried that your dad's going to be disappointed in you. But when it's grace, there's no condemnation. You know that you're forgiven. And when you're struggling or when you're hurting or when you're lonely or when you're sad, you run straight to your Father's arms and say, I know you. I know you accept me. I know the blessings that I have in you are real. You are seated with Christ, fully blessed, fully forgiven, permanently united to him.